Hello Africa was a massive #1 hit for Garnet Silk in 1993, and the producer Richard Bello Bell of Star Trail Records shares the story behind that song in our FiWi Culture segment.
Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you.
In 1993, you had a hit rhythm out called Smile, which featured many hits. One of the hit songs was Garnet Silk's Hello Africa. 30 years later, how did that song come about? What inspired it for Garnet at the time?
It's Garnet's idea, his song. I just chose the rhythm. But he always used to sing like hello. Wherever he went, he would sing that. Like, you know, if he came to Pantop, he would say, hello Pantop, how are you? And you know, he used to do that around Mandevlan. Then he rewrote the song from Africa for Mama Africa.
Which studio was Hello Africa recorded at?
Black Scarpet.
Yeah.
How are you? I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn.
Working with Garnet is always a good energy that you're always impressed with what he delivers, you know.
While recording the song, did you at any time get the inclination it was going to take off and become a hit song?
In this business, you know, even sometimes the songs that, not much for myself, the song that you really feel, you know, sometimes you don't really feel a song that, you know, that much, and that's the one that goes. But I really like the song, you know, so we never like to count the chicken before they hatch. You know?
I'm coming soon. When I'm with you, I can't be wrong. If not in me, then you.
Uptown, uptown!
Same, so we do it up more.
Jackson Massive, big up on yourself. That is how we're going to close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. I'm your boy Nalda Addy.
And I'm Eddie. See you guys next week.
Your favorite cartoon?
Well, you don't know. Actually, I'm going to pick up on that.
No, Cartel and Russia song one. Uptown, uptown.